Ensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Morire bwen Ensoko TV ngo kwani kurandonsi asore hasobot kubwa bono aseri tukerigari 14 somutinyo gatano mwaka w'echelefu 2025 na gatano na rimuno kugena kwana buna kwagendera bya seri tukorigimase kwarenge asemire muyago asokwerigeri asobonchereri ase sabari na inde boy gono gendera tukubwati Ensoko TV kuro chinsa 12 cheke mami gwikira boni kana ndi yaragirense ya munya bono botuko ya Afrika ya mocha engaki yoko ya nyorama ya senchira yobwekira runa basike baitu bayarganire aseri tukorigima iri kwerekya buna nayenkwe mwenyore aliagendera chokorigana sobotu kubabono aya etire na boigo ayara chikubwate tusanga sobwamo wetira senchire yo mutandao gwekerera Facebook na bagase semeria ya YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe nyinge nigere notisano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano na imomara gatano omweri obeka isato tuchake gusanga sobwamo gochakera bono gwika omweri elietariane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakano botukobwa bono mugabara gwe county ya Nyamira Musinyaribo nigori tukoria rero abereka go chakemero ao ya magendero gati yabo okorusibwa gwechi okoroswe gwechi paremi ye wodi ya Kemera okwena na ebimeri bye kawa gochiase abaremi okwigura kwa kiangoso maternity wing na boigo ase omugabara abakago chakya omuroberio oyo omanyekaine buna uji afya program ase omoro ase abana bebirasi ba ECD barachikonyorera ngoli ase chiskuru che serikali egentukera chikokonya abana anene mono abubakuru ase chifamilia chitari kwenyara korengana no mugabana Nyaribo omoroberio bokubatuka kwerungoli gochiase abana ba ECD ni gogwikera bono iga ogendera chikokonya abana chilifu 34 ase chiskuru che serikali buromo secretary Steve Nyarikembonde agotumanyia ase obwagari
ase taro ya magendero ase bunge ya Tutuma Saba taro yo mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira Mosque Amos Nyaribo asachakira ase skuru ya Rio Moro DP hasaboroki wa ECD asasi ori bene na kwendelea omoroberi wo kwena nerungori asaboroki wabo naboigo gochakia masomo yekerero mumbu yae ase society ya Kemera nigo mugabano Nyamira Amos Nyaribo abwatoka ibimeri bye kawa gocha saba ne kawa ase enyagitari ya kiangoso nigo boigo aigora obobweni boikeranu
ekara mwanjorete nande mbiyamano Kemera na yangere chikura chinyinge ase Tutuma Saba aija sayo ningira nyoko ko mara dufu mwegure abana banyora karongori kabakini obongo kabachinguru
ina wadi ritorora uchakaboni abategere badi miti abaroiroro babarorera gaiga maternity eri bunere muno gari netekere okore gasi ne outpatient eri ibo bono uchakaboni yakiangoso asentu ne level 3 hospital
ase esegeto enene yogosomya wekerero nigo chiskuru chiminye tirache koba inse yo moroberio ibwesiro ye county
ya kabere abana bazo osmel digitalani basoma chi computer na baukira uchigoro ensemana uchimotwe yere ye chi computer ebintu bikoro kwa artificial intelligence onyore nakabwadira korubona
kubwatekana n'umwe MCA wodi ya Kemera Mosque James Matinga kobeka budget yogo chakorosia ebirasi bibere omugabana Nyaribo harariringa nige birasi bibere bya ECD birache kwagachwa ase skuru ya Rio Moro DP
na maana mwate we primary yo Moro primary school injenga haje birasi bibere bya ECD bibuate chicho bibuate tangia mache Neden Torosiya kone gasero goria koresero.
Your Excellency, and all protocols observed, mimi ni Mheshimiwa James Matinga ambaye ni area MCA, tena ni naibu wa speaker katika County Assembly ya Nyamira. Nataka niseme ya kwamba leo tuko na furaha kwa sababu tuko na governor hapa na hako na shughuli mingi kwa sababu anataka kuangalia miradi ambao ameanzisha katika ward yetu ya Kemera. Kwa ufupi, nataka nianzie shule hii ya Riomoro. Katika budget ya mwaka huu tumeweka yale madarasa mawili ambao mliuliza. Kwa hivyo governor atawaelezea. Kwa sababu County Assembly ndio inapitisha hiyo budget. Kwa hivyo niko na hakika ya kwamba vile tumeiweka, mimi ikifika kwangu nitapitisha. Asanteni sana governor kwa hayo.
Nigekerekyo mu MCA we ward ya Kemera Moske James Matinga atebire nigo barache kogendra gosira skuru yobobundi yari ya Mogaka.
Kuna polytechnic ambayo tulitenga pale Kiabira inaitwa ya Mogaka. Kwa sababu katika eneo hakuna ile ya Kioboge tulielewana wakati Moses Kuli alikuja tunaibadilisha ikuwe hii institute. Nafikiri unaelewa tuliweka milioni 10 pale.
Nigo haba menyi be ward ya Kemera nigo basabiru baba batohereru kirebira gitabye county birachego chaka emeremo go chakera umutinyo go chetariki yemo iriyo kungura chipara chonsi ase ward ya Kemera icho konyora charetro umuchando
chimwaro chichata agetenza chirinji ritoete chi contract wone bira kitabiri bigo cha kire para ngoros were chipara njire Kiabira your excellency. Kuna sida pale Kiabira Makondo, barabara zinatakana kutengenezwa. Kuna barabara yenye inapita hapa Mgonjoro inaenda Nyangware, hiyo barabara haiwezi pitika na zingine. Kwa hivyo akikuja hizo barabara zinatengenezwa sote.
Wango yachitinga chikorwera gachuba. Gachuba chiche Kemera. Maigure. Nechi bara chozi yochikoremwa na fujo. Maigure.
Stephen Nyarike Munde Ensoko TV Omugonjoro county ya Nyamira.
Arenayo asomo yigaboko mweni Mogaka John Opanga Makori mieke nyorokia Nyakeburo ward ya Birongo ensemo yebunge ya Nyari bari chache county ya Kisii nigabarai ao banyara koba bagwikara negati yabo bari bakuboria ebirogo ao ase obocheri obonene boribosyo gukora chinga kecho nigo yokorigeke rugo kyobo jumbe ensemo yebunge yigwa Kili Geoffrey Munari aganira barai kwene kibuno barai bwa magendero ekero bachorirwe nabo igo gwancha kugenda entunda yemo erikurwa libaga gochiase abarai bande abo igo babwate amaroro ya magendero nigo chinga kichiboigo abolira bagusi kumubwate sia Daktari Freddy Matiang'i na boigo oyokorigekergo kyobo Governor Ezekiel Machogwase County ya Kisii
na ndibona atire gaiga ndetembate binga abantu baminto mumbwatese aiga ni maite ngambo mubea bosigisa mwinoga bokimutungo chimoina aria na botondo uise korora twamenyere bujeni yake menge aba mubea n'abasigisa bakwebera siama nari watebanga chikura no kusorora chikura no kwebereria chikura nabo chinge okwega ugo chukwane ngora sabantu bamino bawanja bakwe chikura uyoro ibi akodile nerumanyete igitara akora muturoje usebano igobono inte tere familia binyoro mbate binga ningingo jokara omonyadibara kodende jamumenga mwaliwe njemba mwaliwe kanga nyadibara yeto ya mesuru na ya amaskanto abana maskani amane mutanya dibara ko bango sekadabara teriboigo igo inte rere na to kubadenga no ndegeti ngota gocha muatesie igo na ndo isikuri na gaiga ewodi ya Birongo amba mumuntu na intu omumuwe anera aso ikorogi kendene ege kwa mo isikuri geredia na sa usire gocha ndo ange omuntu ka mbere myake panga no baraje igo no mo nyore 2027 mokore egendegeria mongiranie bunge nkora abanyaribari egasi orori na bagere mbiyamo polo umuti abantu bamakodi masega pole nijengite naende tumakwana mangana mangi tena sana kwa bagade mbiyamo rongori yane nabu atega tekeri matogombaki kubangono ninje abanise na umokora mmoja mbiyamo tena sawa sokoni
Kurwase county ya Kisii wekase county ya Nyamira abarundi chipigipigi au barense kiombe kia boda boda Safety Association of Kenya BK au bakurwanera Dominic Babu Nyakirogobo nige mambia rero baigora obisi sub county ya Nyamira South eibo igo irachi kutumye kubona obisi county ya Nyamira asaba na boda boda barachi konyora obokoreri ukwana se obisi echo chigotoka se omuchyo maneno Nyamira imiye ward ya township ensemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango nigo ensemo ya yomuteneli ongafu imiye county ya Nyamira Fontinangare ainikire buna aba na boda boda wo kwebwatrania asebyombe eriyo banyoro gusirwa kurwase serikali gentokera agendera kubakonya ase ubugima bwabo. Steven Nyarikembode na roboti urwase obwimemano.
Tunaenda kuifungua kwa niaba ya mheshimiwa
abarundia chipigipigi hinse ye kiombe ya PK gose boda boda Safety Association of Kenya bakorawa no munyakirogo bwe county ya Nyamira Dominic Babu igori tkoria rero baigora habisi asomo cyo Nyamira munenjira ya moyo korobya obokoreri bwabo ase enjira yo gosira bana boda boda asobo sombi
arezwa ja kwigora obisi cha boda boda chi county ya Nyamira ne cha Nyamira South. I think as a county ya Nyamira for the last 15 years duanya gotwara obisi chire functional kera aba chairman chitu cha Nyamira mono the other day twigora obisi ya manga masaba not ne bwata obisi warabu ne bwata obisi they we are doing it finally obisi county no obisi sub county is the final obisi one amna to boda Safety Association of Kenya BK to atwari obisi the entire all the 5 sub counties plus 1 county that those are 6 officers chigo kwa services sasa abantu baito chigo kwabundisanga bako so ebyombe
mwaro desi netindu abero obisi atwa basi watu mutari sabali yamo ande to basa kwira na magega boda ina secting ya sana we bangana bakonyara wa benefit kwa rogo so meri awa
obisi to bwata ga Nyamira ono tutaite mwacha obisi any problem mogo twara kwa obisi no musigo obwate gokora obisi
Nyakirogo Dominic Babu ekerekyo ni gabwatukire segeto gocha banyakirogo bonsi ase stage chimisa 5 se county ya Nyamira kwene kingangu Eric abare munebyombe bene eriyo bachikonyore siro
bada nariko basaba nande kusikurire ya statistics gito out of the 350 stages in Nyamira almost 75 boda stages give a certificate from the social services. Now we have until 1 month from now before that people empowerment, I make sure about Chira social services, but also certificate because I had promised any development was any fundraising which era gonna say county to Nyamira. Kama temu jiwe sanje betu. I will not allow that. Onjiwe jiko changwe county to Nyamira jiko trickle down to all boda stages. And so when you to jangaru maybe 5 million, kere sub county kwa 1 million, chibe se chose bi jiko tringos down baka mwana boda uri orenzari.
Musubati Fontinangare oyuoro akorwa bisi yomo teneri babasubati Nyamira moskecherusha mumanyi nigekerekyo hagenderere kwerera obuyabo abekirwe no bisi yomo teneri babasubati Nyamira eriyo kwene kingango sirabare byombe anene mono ebya boda
asengencho babere bakogora chi office yechiga twabere tokoba kambani omweshimiwa obere behind etimu yega asengenjo 1 ere no mokoreri bwabana youth na boda majority ebare wana youth na endekera abeiro gokorega sina barabo yarorekanire na mapato already orure over 70 groups chia Nyamira this financial year yoka arure to the boda echindo orure echinde nchitigarete akorwe fund ere between 140 to 150,000. Sometimes ekertua nyore a group that is so organized ko egubare tent. Toko nyore group is so organized ko egubare binto awa ebinge vire in the affirmative action fund. Ne group yega is ne rie yemo yabo ebekire ase team chirichi affirmative action fund eyo omweshimiwa Jerusalem patron.
kurobotene bwa bodaboda ni gwekerekio bwa mwiranĩria mbia mono Mosike Cherusha Momanyi aso kwendra gotenena ne kiombe ya bodaboda gati ya baraibande kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira
gendo kenera gwakira omo women rep ito or represent the fund manager otobwaterere muna bodaboda. He has really supported the bodaboda groups. The other day was in Kemera itikolini na arenge gaiga konate. I think Munere already deputy patron is there about the county there Nyamira. We want to say thank you so much to the our patron who is the Solicitor General Shadrack Amose. I know you are branding big things to us.
Stephen Nyarikembonde, Ensoko TV, Township, County ya Nyamira.
Yamano murikyo ito Stephen Nyarikembonde aso kwarigania roboti rwasense muyendo murikyo manena ase wizara yoborendi bwime Daktari Raymond Omolo nigo araira babwatani au kurwase serikali anene nabo igo eri county ya Wajia erikoro totana kurata mariganyo yokolichengera litukoria madaraka ukwana nigo Raymond Omolo ayenekiribu na mariganyo aikirira ase birengo byemerongo 534 ase ariganira bakenya sesemu ya Wajia eri gochengera litukerio erira korekana ase etarike yamo
we are here in Wajia at the stadium with the team from the national government, the team that has the responsibility preparation Madaraka Day celebrations on the 1st of June here in Wajia, hosted by the county government. I'm here with the governor of Wajia, together with my PS colleague, PS Umi, in charge of culture, who also comes from this county. We have this morning done an assessment of the progress of the preparations, and we are happy that the progress is good. We are at 84%. We expect that between the 20th and 25th, most of the works would have been accomplished. So I know you can see already there is the former parade the team doing the rehearsals as part of these preparations. We will be able to share with you the schedule of a set of activities that will be happening 1 week to the celebrations. We have the thematic week which begins on the 25th all the way to the 31st at one of the local primary schools here with a focus on education, youth, as well as the future. And besides that, of course, there's work that is going on at the residence where His Excellency the President will host the luncheon for his guests. And maybe lastly is to ask the people of Wajia, the people of Northern Kenya, and Kenyans in general to join us on the 1st of June. And we expect to start early, given the weather, but also the fact that every day around midday there are always the prayers. So we expect everyone to be seated by 8 a.m. on the 1st. The program expected to begin.
Obochero boke asensemu ye bunge Murwa Dikire county ya Narok niko bwakorekana ari tukulia lero asichiwodi inye echichire Mugondo Kapsasian Elkerin nabo igo area Olmasani ekemina bwanya rabo korekana ekimina nekyo niko kibwate abarwaneri batano magiga yoyo kabere omubunge wensemu ye bunge yo Johana Ngeno gosiria obogima bwae.
There is nothing that has been done. Ingawaje wamejaribu calm the situation, but the perpetrator bado hawajashikwa. My people, if we can allow this trend to continue, ile kitu ambayo inaweza fanyika digit ni kitu haijaonekana. But still bado nasihi watu wangu watulie muniache kwanza nipambana na maneno ya security. But I'm telling the security team and even the Kenyans ambao wananiona saa hii, nikiachilia tu kwa mikono mwangu, kwa sababu nimekuwa tu nikiambia watu hebu let's uphold the constitution and the rule of law.
Hebunge ya seneta nigo yaitiri muswada uyorengete guchia kurende meti na boigo amanani meyense uyomanyekene buna Forest Conservation and Management Amendment Bill National Assembly Bill enamba ya 35 yo mwaka bwe 2025 aso muswada uyo nigo rachikurwa machibu ase menganyi yaberao asamangana bwatikaine no kuna chokwemete na boigo kurenda ebituncho kanaine.
Kwa sababu venye nasikia kuna walowezi mpaka siku ya leo huwa wao ndo wanafurahia matunda ya misitu kutoka nchi ya Kenya bila Mr. Speaker, wakati hiyo imetengenezwa kuangazia mambo mengi tofauti kwa hata kama muua mgaa haki yake tunampa, kwa sababu watu wengi wanao karibu na misitu kazi yao inakuanga ni kuchunga tu misitu na kupokea kichapo wakati wanatoka na kuharibu mimea yao. Kama leo Mr. Speaker, unaona wale wanakaa karibu na Mlima Kenya upande wa Meru wengi sana wanalia na ndovu. Ukienda upande wa Taita Taveta, Lamu, naona wanalia na ndovu. Lakini faida ya misitu haitiririki inavyopaswa kufikia wale wanaolinda misitu na kufaidika nayo. Na tena Mr. Speaker, pia ni watu ambao wanasikia kama wameachwa nje katika wakati misitu, wakati kuna faida kwa misitu. Kwa mfano, Mr. Speaker, juzi katika eneo la Kirinyaga kuna kijana moja uliuliwa kwa sababu alipata akiokota kuni kwenye msitu wa Mlima Kenya.
With this, and now this law seems to be made to amalgamate all the laws in this environmental area, whereby the main idea is to plant more trees in the country. With the FLOCA projects, Mr. Speaker, you'll be surprised. They would have been very successful if the water pans and the boreholes and irrigation was geared towards growing seedlings, and especially of locally generated forests, whereby the forests can grow naturally. There are places acacia grows naturally. There are places natural trees which are not even thorny, and many other uses grow naturally. There hasn't seemed to be that effort. Mr. Speaker, when I grew up, there was a forest near my home, a natural forest on a hill which is described as a hill tower. But people raided it for many years, and it was becoming a desert, and erosion was beginning to take place. But when I was first elected in 2013, I hired a young person just to simply surveil and make sure no one cuts trees there.
Honourable Senators, these are the results of the third reading of the bill. The ayes that 1, nays 0, abstention 0. The ayes have it.
A bill for an act of parliament to amend the Forest Conservation and Management Act and for connected purposes.
Yamano asoko choren soko TV na boyo kubwatia maya senchira yo wekeranu yensa eyamo ya bono botuko ya Afrika ya mucha sabono nigo tokra simiri chiduka na nyuma yo simiri chiduka ningirande na yanda mange to skare ne TV yao.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso bw'umugusi. Onye kubwa teri bolyo obosemya sekero kende gyonsigoro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiririe huko rya email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutoka Samagacho Hazina Towers egoroba ya gatanu na limo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV uboroso w'umugusi. Magega ya television ya Ensoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia gukwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senike asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitere namba yaitu yobonchuria 0788666662.
Bueno, ntorore gabu na kibako
orore no chikuragere.
Na butokuragere kai. Ntu no tokuragere.
Yo mutu to chikurara. Woaje.
Rusia torore. Tudaite corre na boxia ko ba.
Vale ko ba. Ata sonido na sonido.
Inkie kebe. Ke Rusia.
Mutu no ko ngeni ko.
Ai mundo tarra ujisikabo. Tago mai ko rusko gabo ni.
Tago mai sana ibantanya manyajumu.
Wewe ndaje manyiro. Moruzerio yarore munyakitari yo maega. Munyakitari yo arore na bagoso.
Ona tonte ko wena yo. Ukabali yote. Ngoye mezeli.
Lakini no kongete. Miaka 60 na kwa beire. Yazatari yo mwe vale ko solo. Njoma yete oyonde nandu setikemero okwanya
nguru byalina
ngeri kyaye katika randa aga mama kalera agakura mpaka agarusia keka kwama ndiriako butora keka kwama lakini akerusiti
no ko ba
ekumba
no go kietase ukabali yote mase media keso kwali yote tochi kubwatana
ekumbe gani
asa mentanga ni baba letenere lima
ya yo ko ba ko igora to juma wajaga
igo no mosmero
ase
omolege
ya na waja
lakini
waja
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bwa Ensoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegema inde aso gutwanchira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambiye.
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari incheni Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatekano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana ntigo sekerese serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokiri na kugikilia serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saidi kuru binto kuru makitapa kerege lakini nkoira ni maega kego omuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bw'omu
karibu naende mwanchu mwerigereria erituendere kwemanya mange asobutuko bwa bono muraibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigayananire chata uchiase University ya Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology neri ya Kenya Medical Research Institute go Secondary asomo yega okorekana se nyumba enene yoburaibwense asomo chu Nairobi Ruto senkwane aye nigayerere iguru yobuye bwo kugendera kwige kase chisemi na gusira chisemi imeyense.
Your Excellency, sir, the first institution to receive the award of charter today is the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. The inspiration to establish this institution as a world-class institution, modeled on globally competitive science and technology universities, is set and was drawn from Kenya's development blueprint, Vision 2030. Your Excellency, sir, this ceremony is also convened for the award of charter to the Kenya Medical Research Institute. The Kenya Medical Research Institute is a state corporation established in 1979 and currently operates under legal notice number 35 of 2021 as a national agency mandated to conduct research in human health.
Under your leadership, Your Excellency, Kenya is undergoing a structured transition from traditional academic expansion to purpose-driven university specialization. This means moving away from generalist models towards institutions with clearly defined national mandates in science, technology, health, and innovation. Currently, Kenya has 86 accredited universities, 3 of which are specialized degree awarding institutions. This reflects a deliberate effort to balance broad access to higher education with targeted centers of excellence that advance the country's strategic development priorities. Our universities are increasingly becoming engines of applied research and innovation. We are witnessing growing output in areas such as renewable energy systems, biotechnology applications, digital innovation, and climate-smart agriculture.
Today's ceremony is consequential and important. Our gathering here is about far more than the awarding of charters to 2 institutions. We are laying 2 strategic pillars upon which Kenya's future, prosperity, and resilience. One institution will help protect the health and survival of our people. The other will help drive the technological and industrial transformation of our economy. One will help Kenya fight disease, the other will help Kenya compete in the industries of the future. Together, the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, and the Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, represent the architecture of a modern, innovative, resilient, and knowledge-driven nation.
Magigayobo chorwe kiama kia UDA asensemo ye bunge ya Urikalau koera asiki ya eta nigo murwanirwe kerogo kibo bunge wetera certificate ye kiama kia UDA Samuel Mushina Nyaga nigairwe certificate eyo asibisio wabaraibande asicho bisi chie kiama kia somo chu Nairobi. Mushina senkwane aye nigalire ire yugo chekogenderia magendera asensemo ye bunge ya Urikalau ase atigire tunaboigo wekerania obokoreri gochiase abamenyi bensemo eyo onye kaguchia kwa waribaga konye kaguchia gochoro.
Tunasimamia progress ya Urukarau constituency na ndio sababu tukajitoa ili tuweze kufanya yale ambao wananchi wa Urukarau itawafaidi. Kwa hivyo sisi tukiwa tumesimama hapa nikiwa na timu hii ambao tulikuwa tunashindana na wao, we were standing and we were contesting for progress for the people of Urukarau. Kwa hivyo niseme ya kwamba kati ya yale ambayo sisi tungetaka kushindana naye ni ile ambaye itaelekeza Urukarau katika mipango ya maendeleo mbele. Na sisi tunasema ya kwamba hii timu ambayo mnaona hapa, hata wakati tulikuwa tunashindana, sisi tulisema ya kwamba hatutashindana kwa matusi, sisi tulisema hatutashindana kwa maneno ya mdomo, sisi tulisema ya kwamba tutashindana kwa sera ambazo zitafaidi mwananchi wa Olkarau. Na ndio unatuona tukiwa tumesimama hapa tukiwa wote, kwa sababu our main agenda was the progress and development agenda for the people of Olkarau, and that is where we are standing. Na ningetaka kusema kwa wananchi wa Olkarau ya kwamba this government is our government, na sisi ndio tulioichagua, na bado haijamaliza kutufanyia kazi. Kwa hivyo sababu tukaamua ya kwamba tutasimama na serikali ili wananchi wa Olkarau waweze kupata maendeleo. Na siku ya leo tukiwa tumesimama hapa na hii timu, tunasema ya kwamba sisi ni timu UDA na agenda yetu kwa watu wa Olkarau ni maendeleo. Kwa hivyo tutashikana zote kwa pamoja tuweze kutembea katika maofisi za serikali. Kwanza tumalize ile miradi yote ambayo aliyekuwa mheshimiwa wa Olkarau alikuwa anaendeleza. La pili, tuweze kufanya bargain kwa niaba ya wananchi wa Olkarau, kwa sababu tunajua huwa tunachagua serikali ili iweze kutupatia maendeleo, na kwa sababu sisi ndio tulichagua hii serikali ya UDA, hilo ndilo jambo ambalo tunashikilia, na tunaambia wananchi wetu ya kwamba kila wakati haiwezi kuwa ni wakati wa siasa.
Aba manya samangana yobo chinu bongo niko bairere igoro yobo bwabo igoro ibikoro by'uburwere bwabo chinu bongo egatia bakori emirimo imensi ya Kenya kwendera comment kana ukwane ngakiyo kurwa basemi igoro ya mangana arenge tobo chinu bongo inse kyombe gya Kenya Counseling and Psychological Association niko bairere okomigwa kebugima nabo igo ebirengerali awo sechi familia negatia biria bikwerera comment kana komareire yobo chinu bongo.
The workshop is themed elevating workplace well-being, mental health and leadership, and that is why we are here, so that we can train different professionals like the counselors who work in the workplace. We also have human resource professionals. We have all those so that we can train them and equip them, because there is a challenge in workplace. One of the things that is very difficult is balancing work and life. We still need to be very deliberate and intentional in coming up with programs that will enable the workers to deal with their mental well-being. For example, I can suggest that do we have days where the workers are able to go maybe for just an hour or so in what we call self-care? Or do we have days where the workers can work flexibly so that their mental well-being is catered for? So I would encourage more programs. I would encourage actually every workplace to have counselors who are not workers there. They are counselors specifically for mental well-being of the workers. Because when you are still a worker and you are counseling, sometimes we have what we call a dual relationship that may not work. But when you are a counselor, as a counselor, and you're not doing anything else, that may work. That is what I would suggest maybe for the workplaces.
Today we are here to try and capacity build our most of the employees, especially those who are in the counseling and psychology field, so that they can be able to help their staffs and their other employees. We have learned that so many mental health issues are brought about by stress that comes from unmet expectations. You realize that in life, when your expectations are not met, you develop frustrations. These frustrations, they are the ones that leads to stress. You'll find that in most of our workplaces, due to bureaucracy, due to protocols, due to different personalities of our the person who we are reporting to, we get so many frustrations, and that leads to stress. We are therefore encouraging the employers to have a unit, to have the peer counselors, so that they can be able to manage their employees.
Ase safari yoko ni kimune serikali ngwikiraniere obosime kibwembete chibilioni 15 emeyense gwiko mwaka w'echilfira 32 abamenyi be county ya Laikipia nigo bachakiriye umuroberio na kogendera obosime ki emete ase county eyo bakoragwana mokonyi bo mugambira Gina Kiboi gwekenyero kya bahati nigatebire gwetera ase obosime koku kwemete nigo ase bintu bitunchukanene amonchiriro aracho chakakorekana ase chikogendera gosimeka emete eyo.
Nashukuru the stakeholders ambao wametushikilia ili leo tuanze kupanda miti kama vile President Bwana William Ruto ametuagiza tuendelee kupanda miti kila wakati. Na ndio tunaendelea hata leo. Tuko na community kubwa hapa. Tuko na watu ambao wametushika mkono kama Habitat for Humanity. Tuko na Lions Club na pia tuna stakeholders wengine wengi ambao wameungana nasi leo kwa upanzi wa miti. Hii area ilikuwa kavu sana for so long. Lakini tangu Habitat wakuje wachukue programu kama ya upanzi wa miti, pia wakatuwekea maji hapa kwa borehole, na pia wanasaidia mpaka mashule, wamewajengea machoo na wanapanda miti pia mpaka huko kwa shule. Area imeanza kubadilika. Hata siku hizi tunasikia kabaridi kazuri. Wakati mwingine ilikuwa very hot na huku kwa sababu kulikuwa kukavu kabisa. Lakini kwa sasa hewa imebadilika na still hata community imeembrace kitu kwa njia ya juu sana, kwa vile wanaendelea hata kupanda miti kwa mashamba yao kwa njia nzuri.
Sorio Village 3, which is called Bahati region, to plant trees. We have partnered with Habitat for Humanity Kenya to run this project. As Lions, we are partners, and we are happy to have been with them for the last 3 years. We have seen the impact this project has had in this region, where we had issues with rain. We can see now farmers are having some crops in their farms because of the boreholes that have been there, because of the the trees we have planted, which have now helped to draw the rains. And we are happy because the community also has embraced this project, which has been transformative in their lives.
Asense mwende ritikolia lero ni gabarai au baikirana somo yega bwa matanga yoko mwene ngina umubunge bwe bunge ya Afrika ya mochakani ni kega. Asenkwani ayomo senata bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna niga mochire serikali insi obraibwa ya Dr. William Samuel Ruto asoko tekirani obokari lyoboronge guchiase abakenya asaerere bunaguika mutuminka omwaka bw'echilifu 2025 na kabiri.
Muendelee kuombea hili taifa kama kanisa la PCA. Na vile wenzangu wa kutoka Western wamewaambia kule hakuna kura ya kasongo. Na nimeshuka rafiki yangu Sanko. Tumekwaruzana muda mrefu sana. Sanko kanatoka Umasaini. Ameconfirm hapa leo kwa Masai hakuna kura ya kasongo. Amesema yeye mwenyewe. Hakuna kura ya kasongo. Kwa hivyo nataka mkue wenye ujasiri. Mjue kwamba sisi kama vijana tunaelewa ile kazi ambayo iko mbele yetu. Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua wanalinda mwananchi, ndio wametutuma hapa mimi, Osotsi, Mheshimiwa Kalasinga na Mheshimiwa Pauline kuwaambia kwamba hatutatumika sisi kupatia kasongo atiarukie kwa dirisha pale na paka tayari tumeiweka kwa kona. Haitawezekana. Na tuna sababu zetu. Unajua huyu jamaa hawa wa kanisa ndio wamemuingiza kwenye hii uongozi. Alikuwa yeye anasema yeye ndio anaamini Mungu, ati kina Sifuna sisi ni waganga. Tukijaribu kuingia church bwana, sisi tunakuja na 250,000 nasema hii ni ya kushona uniform ya kwaya, yeye anaingia na 5 million. Nasikia jameni, hii tutaweza kweli? Saa hii yeye ndio mwenye kukuja mpaka kanisani kule Wipa, anapiga tear gas ndani ya kanisa. Mimi ni Mkatoliki. Bishop wangu hapa anaitwa Archbishop Muheria. Kwa sababu Muheria hakubaliani na yeye, kanisa Katoliki imemfungia mlango. Wanasema Bishop Muheria pia ni mkabila. Sisi kama Wakatoliki tutasimama na kanisa letu na tutasimama na kanisa la Mungu pahali popote. Ndugu yangu huyu senator wenu wa Kirinyaga ananipeleka polepole. Ananiambia pia mambo yenu ya agriculture na ukulima imeingia shida. Kwa sababu Kasongo amefanya mambo yake vibaya. Soko ya majani chai ile ambayo mlikuwa mnauza Sudan imepotea, ile mlikuwa mnauza Iran imepotea. Ananiambia wakora wake wamefungulia wale wanaingiza mchele hapa. Watu yenu ya Mwea sasa nasikia sijui imefika ngapi, 50 ama ni ngapi? 60. Na ilikuwa huko 85. Kama Murango ndiye ananiambia hivi vitu, mimi hapo Nairobi tunasema ni shamba la mawe. Mimi si mkulima. Hii vitu ni ukweli ama Murang'a ananidanganya? Ni ukweli. So tunasema ameshindwa na kazi. Sisi tunataka turudishe ile hadhi ambayo wakulima wetu walikuwa nayo, kwa sababu hiyo ndio nyinyi mlikuwa mnategemea.
Biamano asokubwatia mayase nchira yobwekirano asobotko bwabona na wekirabona tugwikira omweri bwa mayase ensayemo yabona botko korende chinsa isatu ningirane na yande amange gendera kubwati omuroberio orachi kubwati weka chinsa isatu na inde ngaki turaumirane na inde ase embe eriteriane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.